Good morning, guys. It's approximately 6:25, something like that, and I'm walking to school. It's a very long walk, and I'm really bored. So I'm gonna show y'all how I get to school. All right, this is Spelman College. High school. Pause. Big field. It's kind of breezy out here. This is Philip Sousa. I'm across the street. And for those that don't know me like that, I live right across the street from Sousa, so if you want to come to my house, just go across the street from Sousa. Anyway, and then there's a PS 111 up there by the green light. Let me zoom it in for you guys. It's right there. And I don't know. I'm just walking. Yeah. It's very boring. Look, it's early in the morning. Nobody's on the street. I wish I had a car right now. But anyway, let's find some action. Once again, this is PS 111. Big buildings, big buildings. They put them there so I wouldn't get homesick. But it's whatever. I got a high school right here, but yet I go to Greater. Anyway. Football field. Here come some people. I'll go say good morning to them. For those of you that never seen Spelman from the front, it looks very bummy, but in the inside it's heaven. Look. Oh, look at this Mercedes. Benz, baby. Anyway, let's keep walking. 2 more blocks and I'm at the train station. Yeah. This is a complete waste of time. And like I said, I'm really, really bored. So. And for history, Mrs. Sonia Sotomayor, U.S. Supreme Court nominee, graduated from Spelman, guys. So, this is Cardinal Spelman. Their football team sucks, by the way. I'm so bored. I really need a car. This building right here is a nursing home. Can you shut up? This right here is a nursing home. Pretty big. I don't know nobody in there. All I know is that it's a nursing home. Oh, this is the main road for freight trucks. So anyway, a lot of nice houses. There's a motel over there. I really don't come to this place often, but there is a KFC, and they just put up a brand new school here. Pretty nice school. They just put it up like 3 weeks ago. Gas station and KFC. And after I show you this, I'm off. KFC, guys. This old man comes here every morning thinking that this place is open, but it's whatever. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching the vid, and have a good day.